Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crop a picture into a shape size in Google Docs. Firstly open your Docs file. Now select this picture and cut. Now select insert option. Here you will find drawing option and select new and paste here your image. Okay. Here you will find this crop option and select your shape. I'll make this shape. I'll choose here this arrow. This arrow. Now see this. It was already cropped on a shape. I'll choose another shape. Yeah. Now simply select save and close. I select this image, crop as a shape. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.